Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin with the app open and a stream playing so the caption controls are available. Once done, grab your remote and press the OK or Select button to reveal the player controls. This exposes the quick settings where subtitle options live. Make sure you're signed into the profile that shows captions, because settings can be profile specific. This first step gets you to the on-screen menu quickly so you can access audio and subtitle controls without extra navigation. Once the player controls are visible, choose audio and subtitles immediately. That's where Sling lists caption tracks and the subtitle toggle. If you don't see it in the player, make sure to go to the app settings and then accessibility or captions. Different devices hide the option in slightly different places. Use the arrow keys to highlight closed captions or subtitles, then press OK to open the list. Doing this ensures you're changing the active caption track rather than a single Select off or none to disable captions, and then exit back to the stream. You'll know it worked when text no longer appears on the screen. Play for 10 to 15 seconds to confirm the change persists across episodes or channels. If captions still appear, force close the Sling app and reopen it, or reboot the device. This clears cached settings. As a troubleshooting tip, make sure your app is up to date. Outdated app versions sometimes ignore subtitle toggles until updated or reinstalled.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.